Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the immutable airdrop. Now before we move on to immutable airdrop farming, if you want the crypto content in Hindi or Urdu language, I have one more channel which is called as Altcoin India Hindi. You can go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Now if we talk about the price of immutable, it's close to $2 and to be honest I think they are going to do a airdrop which should be a decent airdrop because the overall funding raised by immutable is around 857 million US dollars, and to be honest this should be a decent airdrop once again if they manage to do a airdrop. And all you have to do is, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to tenlist.org over here, and you can go ahead and add immutable zkEvm chain to your metamask wallet. So simply connect your metamask wallet over here and click on add to metamask. Now the next thing that you can do is, basically you can either use your MetaMask wallet, or alternatively you can use the immutable passport over here in order to go ahead and complete all the tasks. Now this is their passport dashboard over here, and as you can see they have this reward section over here, and they have clearly mentioned that be early. So the point of this reward section is to collect as many gems as possible. So they have this season 1, which is a main quest, which is honor and bounty, and as you can see you have lot of options to earn this daily gems over here. So this is like your daily gems, and then you can earn some additional bonus gems using different task over here. So as you can see, if you go ahead and play this game, you would be getting 100 gems, and there are more options over here. So as you can see, you can basically go ahead and play with your passport. So all you have to do is, you will need to create a simple passport on immutable using your email address, and you can maybe start pre-registering for these games over here, or play some games over here. So basically you can go ahead and complete all of this task. And as you can see, they also have this ecosystem partners, which is Immutable Toolkit, which I will show you in some time. Then there is QuickSwap, Wapgate, Merkle is there, then NFT trading rewards is also there. So basically you can go ahead and do all of this task over here. They also have this layer swap. So as you can see, for some task you will be requiring some funds in order to farm this airdrop. So as you can see, for example, for layer swap, they have mentioned that swap and bridge funds, and for gamma you will need to provide the liquidity pool over here, and then Merkle also liquidity pool. And on the toolkit, basically you can add swap and bridge funds. Now these are some of the NFT trading rewards which you can check over here. All the links in the description, so that it would be easy for you guys to go ahead and navigate. And you can also collect these daily gems over here, as you can see. Now it will depend on the number of IMX tokens you hold in your wallet, or maybe in your passport. So as you can see, if you hold 0 IMX, you will be receiving 1 gem. Now if you are holding more than 1000 IMX, you will be receiving 16 gems every day. So depending on your tier, you can go ahead and claim it every 24 hours. And I think the more number of gems, the more number of immutable X or IMX tokens you would be receiving. Now apart from this, they also have this immutable toolkit over here, where in order to potentially qualify for this airdrop, all you have to do is, you will need to either connect your immutable passport over here, or maybe you can go ahead and connect your metamask over here, and you can swap different coins and tokens on this immutable exchange, or maybe you can go ahead and bridge it from if you want, you can go ahead and bridge it from some different chain, maybe ARB, Starknet, Optimism, ZK Sync, as you can see, to immutable zkEvm over here. Then they also have this Ethereum bridge over here, where you can simply go ahead and connect your wallet and bridge from Ethereum mainnet to immutable X. Now we also have the option of buying these coins over here. As you can see, they have this on-ramp widget that allows to buy coins on the immutable X using your card, Google Pay or Apple Pay. And they also have this centralized exchange deposits over here. Now apart from this, I have already shown you how you can go ahead and add immutable zkEvm chain over here. So if you want to go ahead and add it manually instead of using chainlist.org, you can use this over here, and you can input this manually to your metamask wallet and add this chain over here. And they also have this onboarding thing, where you can input your details as to what you are making, this might potentially give you some additional IMX. So as you can see, they have clearly mentioned we are giving away 40,000 IMX every day. So basically you can go ahead and add this or answer these simple questions over here and potentially qualify for some additional IMX tokens. And the last thing that you can do is basically you can use some of the ecosystem partners over here, maybe like QuickSwap over here. You can change the chain to immutable zkEvm over here, and you might want to go ahead and complete certain transactions on the ecosystem partners over here like QuickSwap. So this is all for this video as to how you can go ahead and farm the immutable airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching.